Go back to level 2, graphing the polygon constraints. Here we're given the equations of the polygon constraints and we have to graph it. Y is greater than -1/4 x plus 3, so the b value is 3. Click here. The slope is -1/4. I'm going to be moving. The delta x is 4, delta y is -1, so down 1. It is greater than, it's dotted, greater than, I'm going to be shading above. So I just put the arrow to remind me that I'm shading above this line. Y is greater than or equal to x minus 12. The b value is minus 12, which is down here. The slope is 1. That means our delta x is over 1, delta y is up 1. It is greater than or equal to, so I'm going to be shading above, and it's a solid line. I'm going to grab that arrow and just drag it up here. Y is less than or equal to -8/17 x plus 13. Here's my 13 as my b value. The delta y is 17, so that's 15, 16, 17. -8 means down 8, down 8. I can just go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that. It's less than or equal to, and I'm shading below. There's my down arrow, and it's a solid line. The next one, y is greater than or equal to -11/4 x plus 13. 13 is the b value. Now, if I click actually on the 13, it's going to think I want to edit the e point, so I click off of it and drag the g point onto it. -11/4. I'm going to be moving over 4 steps and then down 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Or you can say we're at 13, take away 11 is 2. We are shading above this line. It's above arrow. I'm going to grab this arrow from over here and drag it to there. Our polygon constraint should be in here. I'm going to go to my polygon tool. There's my A point, my B point, my C point, my D point, and I'm done. Things you can do. If you don't like the yellow, you can change the color to whatever color you like. It's a weird green color. You can fade it in, fade it out, make it super dark. There's an outline color on that right now. You can remove the outline color. You can make the outline color red. It's hard to see the outline color. There it is. So there's our polygon constraints, and I just press the enter button. All right, so that's how you do level 2.